Welcome to online classes. Today I will explain from page number 24. Before explanation, I will refer some sentences as a reference and continuation. But that's impossible. Healed her father. He loved his daughter dearly and did not wish to see her go all the way to the mountains of Tibet, hundreds and hundreds of miles from his palace. He wished to visit her often in her new home, but nothing he could say would convince her to change her mind. Now from book. Very well, he said to his wife when they were alone, I shall devise some test, and we can only hope that the prince from Tibet fails them. Explanation 1. The Emperor of China exclaimed to his wife that was well when they were sitting together alone, and then she discussed with the Empress that he should come up with some tests, and that could only hope that the prince from Tibet did not win the all tests. Explanation 2. The Emperor of China told his wife that was very well, and again he suggested that he would drop with some tests, and they could only hope that the prince from Tibet would not be succeeded in all tests. Then they were discussing this when they were sitting alone. Explanation 3. The Emperor of China told to the Empress that was well, and also discussed with the Empress that he would frame with some tests, and they could only hope that the prince from Tibet would not win over the tests. All this discussion done when the only Empress and the Emperor were alone together. Now from book. Then we shall have a reason not to let our dear daughter marry him. If the prince from Tibet would not win the test, then we should have a reason not to let their daughter marry the prince from Tibet. Explanation 2. The Emperor of China would conduct the tests among the princes, especially the prince from Tibet, whom preferred her daughter very much. If the prince from Tibet did not win over the states, then they should have a reason that the prince of Tibet would not want their daughter's hand. Explanation 3. As the daughter of the Emperor of China preferred the prince from Tibet, so the Emperor discussed with the Empress and decided that they should drop some tests. In these tests, the prince from Tibet could not win over the test, then they should have a reason that their daughter would not move to the mountains of Tibet with prince from Tibet. Now from the book. The next morning, 100 mares and their baby foals were driven into the center of the city. Explanation 1. The next morning, 100 female horses were moved into the center of the city along with their baby horses. Explanation 2. The next morning, 100 female horses along with their young horses were guided into the center of the city. Explanation 3. The next morning, 100 female horses along with their baby horses were forced into the center of the city. This is the end of first lecture.